Hey, what's up, Enjin coin hoarders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Enjin coin. What's the current price? What's the price since over in the Enjin coin? My friends, this is the urgent alert warning news for all hoarders. Keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe now. ABS station for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So the current price of the Enjin coin in the market is 1.48 USD dollar. Here you can see here 1.48 USD dollar, my friends, and below that you can see the Bitcoin price of the Enjin coin, my friends. And if you talk about the price since occur in the Enjin coins, absolutely. Now, first of all, I want congratulations to the last 1 hour. It lost at this time. The price of the Enjin coin is going positive, and I'm sure that with the passage of time, they will make you millionaire. They will give you good amount of profit, my friends. Let's see the price chart, my friends. This time in the start of previous month, the price of the Enjin coin is completely fast down. But now, thank God that at this time pricing is going positive, my friends, and I'm feeling very happy. But on the other side, if you talk about the last 1 month pricing, the last 1 month pricing is still negative, because in the previous time is very badly the price of Bitcoin and dumps now. So you have to hold. If you hold, you will get a profit, and if you save, there is chances to you falls down, my friends, you lose. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of news and updates video.